If you are looking to remove your phone number from Snapchat, here's a simple way to get it done. To begin with, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, click on your profile icon at the top left. Once you are there, hit the settings icon in the upper right corner. Furthermore, click on My Account at the very top. Moreover, choose Mobile Number. At this point, you will notice your current phone number displayed. Just remove the number. However, Snapchat doesn't allow you to leave this field empty since it is required for verification and account recovery. So the only option is to replace it with the new number. Next, type in the new phone number you want to use. After that, hit the verify button. Now Snapchat will send a verification code to your new number. Just enter the verification code. And there you go. I hope this video helped.